Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this tutorial, we learn how to say Merry Christmas in Standard German and in Austrian German. Additionally, you will get to know important words around Christmas time in Austria. Please stay tuned. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn how to say Merry Christmas in Austrian German. First of all, Merry Christmas is Frohe Weihnachten in Standard German and in Austrian German. In Austria, you will often hear Frohe Weihnachten. In religious contexts, you may come across the phrase Gesegnete Weihnachten. By the way, the midnight mass is called Mette or Christmette. Christmas tree can be translated as Christbaum or Weihnachtsbaum. In Austria you will also hear Baum instead of Baum. Under the Christmas tree you will find the Packerl, where the presents are wrapped in. In general, Christmas cookies are very popular in Austria. They are called Weihnachtskekse. The most popular ones are Lebkuchen, gingerbread, Vanillekipferl, or Linzer Augen. Additionally, Christmas carols play an important role in Austrian Christmas culture. Christmas carols can be translated as Weihnachtslieder. Famous Christmas carols are Stille Nacht, Alle Jahre wieder, or Es wird schon gleich dumper. After having watched this video, you are familiar with important aspects of the Austrian Christmas culture. Thanks a lot for watching and of course, Merry Christmas, Frohe Weihnachten.